hakka juttu rääkima. Me oleme väike tantsuansambel, kes veel ei tea, Iveta trio. Iveta on meie imekaunis lauljanna, mina olen Sven ja seal on Boris. Ja oleme siin selleks, et siis tagantjärgi tähistada seda imelist sündmust. Ja veel sooviksime ikka parimaid soove pikka eluiga, palju lapsi, palju raha ja õnne ja veel kord õnne Sirli ja Aisak. Ja tere tulemast kõigile.
Eeter on pime ja ühendus on maas. Tuled ei põle, kuid kaminad tules, söed õguvad. Oleme koos olnud aja algusest. Me ühine pool on üle pingest ühisest.
Translate everything that he said in English. So we are here today to celebrate your wonderful day, which was a few months ago. Everybody's very glad and happy about you, and that's why this celebration is taking place. And we are a little band from Tallinn. This is Sven, Iveta and Boris, and we are here to make this party more beautiful and nice for you. So, best wishes for you guys. A lot of happiness, a lot of children, a lot of wellness, and love is caring, so hold each other and care for each other. This is the most important thing, we guess. So, have fun and let's dance. Some little lines to sing to make a thing come true.
taas meie ühine vool